Welcome to part 2 of the 4-hour Workweek. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I recommend you watch it first. Without further ado, let's dive into it. The key aspects of Disappearing Act. 1. Remote work strategies. Ferriss discusses methods for negotiating remote work arrangements with employers or transitioning to freelance or contract work that allows for location independence. 2. Outsourcing and delegation. The Disappearing Act involves delegating responsibilities, outsourcing tasks, or automating workflows to reduce the need for physical presence in an office setting. 3. Mini-retirements. Ferriss introduces the concept of mini-retirements, taking extended periods off work to travel, pursue personal interests, or explore new ventures. This involves restructuring work and life to allow for periodic breaks instead of waiting for retirement. 4. Selective availability. The Disappearing Act encourages being selectively unavailable by setting boundaries and using strategies to limit interruptions or unnecessary work demands, allowing for greater focus on high-impact tasks. The purpose of the Disappearing Act. Tim Ferriss advocates for freedom from the traditional office setting by encouraging individuals to work remotely, travel, or structure their work in ways that provide increased freedom and flexibility. Embracing non-traditional work arrangements, Ferriss challenges the conventional 9-to-5 structure, urging readers to rethink their approach to work and prioritize autonomy and lifestyle design. This shift in perspective aligns with Ferriss's broader vision of liberating individuals from rigid work norms and fostering a more flexible and personally fulfilling work environment. The key aspects of mini-retirements. Mini-retirements, as advocated by Tim Ferriss, involve extended breaks ranging from weeks to months or even a year, providing dedicated time for personal growth, rejuvenation, and exploration of passions or new cultures. This approach incorporates periodic breaks throughout one's life, avoiding the conventional wait until retirement and emphasizing the importance of financial preparation to ensure stability during these breaks. The purpose of mini-retirements is rooted in lifestyle design, prioritizing experiences, self-discovery, and rejuvenation over continuous work, with a focus on providing opportunities for personal growth and exploration throughout one's life. The key aspects of filling the void. 1. Pursuing passions. Ferriss emphasizes the significance of dedicating time to hobbies, interests, and activities that bring joy and fulfillment. It's about discovering the nurturing passions that go beyond professional accomplishments. 2. Personal development. The section encourages personal growth through learning skill development or self-improvement endeavors. This could involve pursuing education, learning new languages, or engaging in activities that contribute to personal growth. Balancing life and work. Ferriss stresses the importance of achieving a balance between work and personal life. It's about creating a lifestyle that allows for fulfillment in various aspects, not solely relying on career achievement for satisfaction. 4. Finding purpose. Filling the void aims to help individuals find purpose and meaning outside the confines of their careers. It involves exploring activities or experiences that resonate on a personal level and contribute to a sense of fulfillment. The purpose of filling the void. This section emphasizes holistic fulfillment, urging individuals to seek meaning, joy, and purpose in various facets of life beyond professional achievements. Central to this concept is the encouragement of continuous personal growth and development, motivating readers to invest time and energy in activities that contribute to their overall well-being and satisfaction. The focus is on a well-rounded approach to life, where fulfillment extends beyond career success to encompass various dimensions of personal growth and happiness. The key aspects of the top 13 new rich mistakes. 1. Misallocation of time. Ferriss highlights the danger of spending time on low-value tasks or activities that don't contribute significantly to one's goals or fulfillment. 2. Deferring happiness. This mistake involves postponing happiness or fulfillment for a future date or event, such as retirement, without enjoying life in the present moment. 3. Accepting default settings. Ferriss warns against accepting societal norms or defaults without questioning their relevance to personal goals, values, or desires. 4. Failure to define clear targets. Not setting clear objectives or targets can lead to aimless efforts and lack of direction in achieving the desired lifestyle. 5. Ignoring non-lifestyle factors. Neglecting factors such as health, relationships, or personal well-being, while solely focusing on financial goals, is highlighted as a mistake. 6. Automating a bad lifestyle. Automating processes without addressing fundamental lifestyle issues can perpetuate an unsatisfactory lifestyle. 7. Chasing cash flow instead of freedom. Prioritizing income generation over achieving freedom and autonomy can lead to a perpetual cycle of work without fulfillment. 8. Becoming a slave to new habits. Forming new habits without assessing their impact on lifestyle or happiness can lead to inadvertently becoming enslaved by them. 9. Information overload. Consuming excessive information without implementing actionable steps can lead to overwhelm and inaction. 10. Failure to escape time constraints. Not leveraging strategies to escape the confines of traditional 9-to-5 work can hinder efforts to achieve a more liberating lifestyle. 11. Lack of continuous evaluation. Failing to regularly evaluate goals, strategies, and lifestyle choices can lead to stagnation or inefficiency. 12. Overlooking emotional life. Ignoring emotional well-being or neglecting personal fulfillment in favor of material success is cautioned against. 13. Failure to enjoy the journey. Ferriss highlights the importance of enjoying the process of achieving goals and not solely focusing on the end result. The purpose of highlighting mistakes. Ferriss seeks to guide readers in learning from common mistakes to prevent pitfalls on their path to crafting a lifestyle centered on freedom, fulfillment, and autonomy. Through illuminating these errors, the intention is to facilitate course correction, empowering individuals to make informed decisions that align with their desired lifestyle. Ferriss's approach involves leveraging the lessons gleaned from experience to guide readers into navigating challenges and making strategic adjustments on their journey towards a more liberated and purposeful life. The key aspects of 1,000 New Beginnings. 1. Embracing change. Ferriss encourages readers to adopt a mindset that welcomes change and sees it as an opportunity for growth rather than something to be feared of or avoided. 2. Iterative approach. The concept emphasizes the importance of taking iterative steps, experimenting, and learning from both success and failures to evolve and improve continuously. 3. Openness to learning. It involves being open to new experiences, acquiring new skills, and seeing knowledge in various areas of interest to foster personal and professional development. 4. Adapting to circumstances. Ferriss suggests adapting to changing circumstances, adjusting strategies, and being flexible in approaches based on evolving goals or changing environments. The purpose of 1,000 new beginnings. This section seeks to inspire holistic growth, advocating a mindset that values continuous learning, adaptability, and the embrace of new opportunities for both personal and professional development. Additionally, it encourages individuals to view each moment as an opportunity to reinvention or a fresh start, fostering a proactive approach to evolving oneself or adapting pursuits in alignment with personal growth and changing circumstances. Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with people you think it may help, and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you won't miss our next video. Check out the recommended videos on your screen for more interesting content, and see you in the next video.